Good morning everyone. Today is a very important day because we are looking ahead of a very volatile or super volatile market. As you know, today is CPI day for the US government or for the US people, and usually this has a huge effect on all the assets prices, crypto, stocks, indexes, everything. Therefore, I wanted to walk you through what is going to happen, what can we expect, and what are the market expectations for this volatile couple of hours, because usually this is the first 2 hours and after that we will just define a trend. Let's start. Now, as you can see, this is the Bitcoin's price and we are still sitting on the 21,700 and something. We are going up and down from 21,500 to 21,800 since Friday, and the reason is the CPI. Everyone is waiting for the CPI data, so it would define the next trend. Now, if we look at the market and for the let's say expectations of the newspapers, MarketWatch says that inflation data rocked the US stock market in 2022, and they expect again a 0.4% increase of the inflation of the CPI data. Therefore, the Fed will be forced to increase the rate hikes. If we move forward, Kiplinger predicts the same thing. They say that the CPI report will rock the market once again. We will have an increased CPI reading, meaning that we have a higher inflation than in December, and that will just motivate or that will force the Fed's hand to increase the basis rates at the upcoming FOMC meeting. CNBC is also very bearish and they also say 0.4%. Therefore, we can expect a pump. I mean, that is what I think, honestly, because when everything is bearish, when everyone is screaming that it's gonna be bad and the prices just stopped working, then we should check not only the S&P 500 but also the DXY. The DXY is the dollar strength against other currencies, and here we were last night. We were up high, we were attacking the resistance zone of 103, 104 actually, and since then we came down. I don't know why Bitcoin's price didn't react to that, because usually it should increase when the DXY is going down. Obviously, it is logical that when the dollar is weakening, then the assets price should go up. However, I do think that everyone is just waiting for CPI. So this is the volatile week. It is at 12:30 UTC, and we will define the new trend at least until the FOMC meeting. Now, here is my price prediction for that. If the CPI reading is good and it will be favorable, let's say, meaning that the inflation didn't increase, even the same CPI reading as in December would be quite good, in my opinion, then I think that Bitcoin will jump very easy to 25,000, and maybe we will even revisit the 30,000s. I am expecting here somewhere in this zone, in this cluster, which I'm showing with my mouse. Now, if the CPI data will be bad, then we will probably break this resistance, and this resistance is coming from the top, from the 70,000. This is like a legendary resistance, let's say, because we are creating this since, I don't know, 1 year, more than 1 year. Therefore, if we can hold this price, we can expect some happy days to come, some relief rally, some pump. I cannot say that the bull run is back. However, we are in the middle of the bear market. We are at a turning point. And if they want to manipulate the CPI prices in the favor of the market because they think that they crashed the market enough already in the last year, then yeah, I'm all for it. We will try the soft landing. We will try to avoid all the shady data which we have in the background, the credit card debts, the real estate, the mortgages, the increased mortgage rates. I would be really happy to see some pumps. So this was all for today. Remember, 12:30 UTC. There will be some high volatility in the market. Be careful with your trades. Be careful what you long, what you short, because you can never know when it turns. These times I usually don't do anything. I don't trade. I don't start a trade. I just wait 1 or 2 hours until I see that there is a confirmation of the trend, and then I start to long or short, because that is the moment when people decided if they want to short or they want to long. And I think that is the most important. If you try to put shorts and longs at the same time, there's a high chance that you will be stopped out from both of your trades, because the price just go up and down. It's just, yeah, too volatile. Take care and see you on the other side.